In this video, I will show you the most important element types in CAD Assist. To show and change the element types, you can use the functions in the element type menu in your menu area. I will start with the main contour. Activate the function and assign the element type to your line by clicking with the left mouse button. As you can see, the element type changed, so the line looks different. I'll go on with the internal contour. It's again with the left click on the element and the element type changed. The next one is the seam contour. I already created a construction line, so I don't have to change it. I'll go on with the text position and with the stripe line. You have to use the stripe line on all of your patterns to align it in your marker. And the text position is important to define the area where the piece name or the size should be displayed in your print. With the function element type, show, and the click on the piece, the system will display all the element types in different colors. You can also see the element types listed on the left side of your screen. The system always creates a reference line that is displayed in red. Let me show you an example on a finished pattern. I will use the file AY-Blazer. If I want to see the element types displayed in the different colors, I will use the function element type show, and with a left click on one of the elements of the pattern, I can see them displayed in different colors, and I can also see the element types listed in the same colors on the left side of my working area. To see them on another piece, you can only use the left click again on one of the elements of the piece, and now you can see the colors of the element types for the selected piece. If you want to see the colors of another piece, you can do a left click on one of the elements of your pattern. To see the element types of all your pieces, use the function in the menu Display. We have a toggle button for the piece color. Select element color in this toggle button, and now you will see the element types are displayed in different colors on all your pieces on your working area.